Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. BB Naija 2020 meet the housemates in the Big Brother Naija house. Get ready to be addicted and glued to BB Naija Season 5 for the next couple of weeks. Our advice: stay logged on Naija News and Entertainment to be able to get the scoop on anything and everything that goes down in the Big Brother Naija house. The theme for this year is Naija Lockdown, and we know it's going to be an interesting ride. Today we were introduced to the 20 housemates that will be keeping us entertained for the next 10 weeks. Meet the housemates. Kidwire. Tessia Kidwire, age 27, is self-employed and comes from Benue State. Being a Big Brother Naija Season 5 housemate has Kidwire anticipating a better and crazier 2020. He describes himself as confident, good-looking, ambitious, a daredevil who is highly motivated. It is no surprise then that bringing back the fun into the house is what won't compromise on this season. He said the new habit he acquired during the lockdown is that he can go a long time without his phone. You never know when the time is up, so you might as well go for it. That's his favorite word. Lilu. Boluwatife Lilu Aderugba, age 23, is a dietitian from Lagos State, Nigeria. Lilo, as she prefers to be known, is also an entrepreneur and describes herself as a product of God's grace. Lucy Essien is a 30-year-old entrepreneur from Lagos. Though she is a self-proclaimed simple girl and assures everyone that she is far from average, she believes in fairy tale and hopefully Biggie's house will deliver just that for her. Ozo. Consultant and entrepreneur Ozo Emena Ozochukwu, age 27, is from Imo State. One of his greatest achievements is working with the UEFA Federation in Europe. It is no surprise then that when he is not busy consulting or managing his urban clothing line, you find him analyzing sports and watching documentaries and TV shows. Praise Nelson is a 28-year-old dancer from Enugu. Not new to fame or competing, he was a winner at the K-Pop World Festival South Africa 2015 and won 3rd place at a national dance competition in 2010. He is also a fitness and personal trainer and a certified Latin ballroom expert. Prince Nelson Ewerem Prince, age 24, is an entrepreneur from Abia, a jack of all trades whose portfolio includes modeling, fashion designing, and interior decoration. He enjoys active sports and reading about ancient religions and African history. He is a graduate of pure physics from the University of Calabar and is currently living in Lagos. Tricky T. Timi Sinclair is a 35-year-old creative artist and Lagos resident who hails from Bayelsa State, Nigeria. Tricky T, as he is also known, considers himself a storyteller who uses the mediums of film and music to express himself. Victoria V. Adeyele, age 23, is a musician based in Lagos, Nigeria. V, as she is affectionately known, was born and raised in London and moved to Lagos almost a year ago to begin her musical career, where she has already made great strides. Watoni. Florence Watoni Ayansi is a 29-year-old fashion entrepreneur. This multi-talented single mother juggles a fashion business and a parenting blog. She is also bilingual and speaks and writes in Swahili fluently. Dorothy Bachor is a 24-year-old entrepreneur from Lagos State. She believes she is the only one who should make you smile Assassiness will definitely prove to be an asset in Biggie's house. Katrina Kate Katrina Jones, 26-year-old, is an entrepreneur from Rivers State, Nigeria. She describes herself as a strong woman who wants more from life. Her dream is to be famous and own the biggest luxury fashion brand in the world. She also believes she will make the perfect housemate because she's ready to do all it takes to compete and win Big Brother Naija Season 5. Tochukwu Okechukwu Tochi is a 28-year-old rapper and real estate agent from Imo State. He lives and breathes entertainment. He confesses to being clumsy on some days. Next is Eric Ahigbe, aged 24, is a final year student at the University of Lagos and hails from Edo State. The bodybuilder is a confident hunk who takes pride in his 1.95-meter height. He describes himself as a fun, competitive sport and fitness enthusiast who enjoys winning. In addition, Eric also describes himself as a shy person who takes his time to unveil his wild side. Ngozi Erica Nlewedin, aged 26, is an actress and commercial model from London, England. Erica is the name she goes by, and she returned to Lagos after studying screen acting at the Met Film School in London. Brighto Ezekiel Bright, nicknamed Brighto, is a 29-year-old sailor from Edo State. Brighto, as he is fondly called, is the youngest of 6 kids. He holds a degree in marine engineering from Arab Academy for Science, Technology and Maritime Transport in Alexandria, Egypt, with several other professional certifications. He also had a stint in the aviation sector. He considers himself an avid entertainment lover and a people's person. Aisha Umaru is a 25-year-old entrepreneur from Sokoto State. This adventurous young woman considers herself a great team player who gets along with people. She relies on a healthy diet and is God-fearing. Emuobuenove New Apofre, aged 26, popularly referred to as Neo, is a ride-hailing app driver and a Delta State native. Although he describes himself as fun, tolerant, loving and smart, he won't hesitate to be Indaboski Bahose when it comes to issues concerning bullying and inequality. Tolani Shobajo is a 27-year-old media personality from Lagos State. Tonali is an energetic, gingered babe. People always call her the life of the party. When she's not entertaining, she's dancing and cooking. Rebecca Nenji Amson, aged 22, is an entrepreneur from Bayelsa State. She is a former model and MBGN Top 5 contestant who loves learning new things, having fun, traveling, taking on new adventures, and being true to herself. Nenji, as she prefers to be called, studied communication at the University of Port Harcourt and is a proud Capricorn. She proclaims, if you want the job done right, give it to a Capricorn. I'll give 110% of my energy and enthusiasm into everything I do. Olamilekan Agbeleche is a 26-year-old singer and rapper from Lagos State. He is a graduate of philosophy from the University of Lagos who started his musical career at an early age and has now emerged as one of Nigeria's most promising new school acts. He described himself as being versatile and able to coin words together to suit scenarios and moods. So guys, these are the top 20 new housemates that were unveiled today that will be keeping us logged in on the BB Naija Season 5 reality show. I hope you get used to these faces as you'll be seeing more of them, and I hope this Season 5 BB Naija show would be very, very interesting as the previous ones. Okay guys, what do you think of this new housemate? Do you think they will be entertaining? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop. Stay subscribed to Naija News and Entertainment as I'll be bringing you daily gist from the Big Brother Naija house. Until next time guys, take care. See you tomorrow.